What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to locally load the Google Fonts using Astra WordPress theme. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us and why you should do this. Because it's gonna make your site compliant to GDPR, okay, to the global privacy laws, okay, and it gonna make your site loads faster. Yes. How to do this into a simple, fast, and effective way is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over Astra, and click on it, okay? You're gonna be able to see this welcome page. Review the toolbars right here. We have welcome, settings, starter templates, free versus pro, and we're gonna move to settings. And now we're gonna need to click on performance. And right here, hidden right here, we have load Google Fonts locally. Enable this option to download Google Fonts and save them into your server. This can be great for improving speed of your website and comply with GDPR laws. So normally it comes disabled, you need to enable, okay? And preload local fonts. This option will load the font files right away on page load. Preloading loads local fonts can speeds up your site even further. So, of course, up to you, but I recommend that you mark this option, and now you are good to go, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. Now you can click on Flush Local Fonts Cache, click to button to reset the local fonts cache, okay? I recommend that you do this one time at least, and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!